Hello everyone and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about how to change this icon, this Flutter icon. When we are final our project, then we need to change this icon, and also how we can change the icon name or the app name from here. And as you can see, some of these icons that has name and the icon, so you can change this all as you wish. So first let's go with Android and change the name of the app on Android. Okay, as you can see, this project I just created that before, but we are just going to change the name from the Android first. I'm clicking on this folder, and inside this folder we are going to open this app folder and resource or src and go to main. Inside the main we have something, some file, XML file that called Android manifest. So let's open this. Okay guys, as you can see, all the XML codes are here, and what we need to change here, we can change this label. This one is belongs to our app name. Whatever name you put here, you will get that name inside your emulator or inside your device, which is here. For now it is chat app 1, and because the label is, or the name of this app is chat app 1, so let's change it to something else, and let's put some other name, like I'm going to put it my app. Okay, and let's save it, and we have to rerun the app. After we rerun our app, we will get these changes. Okay, before I'm going to rerun the app, so let's see the other portion of our app also, as we are here. So we have the icon, as you can see here is the Flutter icon. You can change this also. So as for now you know how to change the name, and how you can change this app icon. You can go to this resources folder under this URL, as you can see. And here you have drawable and mipmap. As you can see, mipmap, HDPI, MDPI, XHDPI, and XX and XXX HDPI are available. These all are the sizes of a screen that our picture will be here. Then the device will choose, or that which image is when looking better for our app. It will choose from this icon. If for example it is a small screen, then it will choose from here, and if it is medium or like tablet, it will choose other one. If it is a big screen, then it will choose this IC launcher or icon and show it for the user. So how we can change them? So let's go to one website that it will generate for you all the icon you need. Like let me go this app icon generator. As you can see here, in here you can put your, or drag and drop your icon here, and after you drag and drop you can choose iPhone, iPad, or any other platform that you are gonna create its icon. So you can do that, you can tick mark that, and after that inside this Android portion you can tick mark this Android, that we should create the icons for the Android for all our HTTPI. And in here the file name, you can put your own file name for the icon. If you don't put, then it will take this IC launcher and it will generate for you. It is free, so you can do that and download that. But so I'm going to drag and drop this icon here, and then I will create the generate. It will generate for me and download this app icon. But before I did that, I don't want to do that again. As you can see, this is the iOS and this is the Android one, and this one is for the Play Store. There will be two images for the Play Store. That one is 1024 by 1024 image, and one of them is 512 by 512. That it will be needed for the Android store or app store that we want to upload. So for now, the Android one. So what you can do now, you can open this. Oh, I don't have it here. And you can open this, and you can drag and drop it inside whatever folder you choose. For example, this one is XHDPI, and I'm going to refactor it. Okay, the next one, going back, and I can choose another one, the last one. So you can choose all of them, is as you can see, like this. Okay, we have the icon, and let me just run the app and see the result, how we did it in the Android part. So guys, as you can see, the app name is changed to my app, but the icon didn't change because I just changed a few of them. It did not take that image because the emulator is just choose this image, maybe from these two where we didn't put, yeah, maybe it took this MDPI. So you can try your one and check it and see how it works. So guys, thank you for watching till the end of this video, and see you guys on the next video with the iOS one and one more package that it is for both Android and iOS, changing the app icon. I will do that in the next video, and see you on that one.